So a soccer team wins 65% of its matches, and 15% of its matches end in a draw if the team is scheduled to play 20 matches. About how many matches is it expected to lose? So really what we've got to do, and we can do this on our calculator, I'm going to say 65 plus the 15%. So it's either going to win or draw 80% of the time. Now, what we really want to know, and 80% as a decimal is 0.8. Now, you might say, why do you have 1 minus 0.8? Well, I'm trying to find the complement because losing is the only thing we have left. So that means we're going to lose 0.2 or 20% of the time. So now all I got to do is multiply that by the total number of matches, which is 20. Oops. 20 times 0.2. I forgot to hit the times button. And so we're expected to lose 4 matches. That's it. We're just expected to lose 4 matches. So let me take a screenshot of this bad boy. Boing, boing, boing. And that's it.